Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech More. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel Tab, which is Google's latest Android tablet. I'll be going over the specs, features, and my thoughts on the tablet. Specs. The Google Pixel Tab has a 12.3-inch OLED display with a 2K resolution. It's powered by the Google Tensor chip, which is the same chip that's found in the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro smartphones. The tablet has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It also has a 12.2 MP rear camera and an 8 MP front-facing camera. Features. The Google Pixel Tab runs Android 13 and has a number of features that are designed to make it a great tablet for work and play. These features include a split-screen mode that lets you use 2 apps at the same time, a multitasking menu that makes it easy to switch between apps, a built-in stylus that lets you take notes, draw, and doodle, a Google Assistant button that lets you quickly access the Google Assistant, a long battery life that should get you through a full day of use. Review. I'm really impressed with it. The display is beautiful, the performance is smooth, and the battery life is great. I also love the built-in stylus, which makes it easy to take notes and draw. Overall, I think the Google Pixel Tab is a great tablet for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile Android tablet in this price range. It's perfect for work, play, and everything in between. If you're interested in learning more about the Google Pixel Tab, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Google Pixel Tab. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.